It's awesome, man. You got wind, sun, it's all good.
This is a great event. This is an amazing spot in the world for it. It's windy pretty much every day, and we have this epic flat water and lots of great riders.
Here we go. We got lightweight Dave coming in, but Tony Bolstag gets the first jump on the blue kite. Oh, mighty jump and pulls away, no problem.
There were about 20 men going for the big air.
Oh, we got Rod jumping at the same time as Tony. Eight minutes, that tells these guys that they have 8 minutes on the water left. These guys are not afraid. They have to give it everything they've got, but they're getting tired. This is a 12-minute heat, which when you're out there feels like eternity. There we go. Oh, these guys are trying to get every little bit that they can out of the wind. Up next is... You know, it must be tough. You got to try to pump up wind, get up wind as fast as you can, only just to blow it all in one jump. Oh man, these guys are going for it. They're just out there having a good time. Jordan Parker's up on the red kite with a nice jump. There we go. That's quite a jump. For fun. Oh, Rocky Chadwell with a monster 1-footer. Here we go with Jordan Parker with a big jump on the red kite. Four, we have a Chris Allero, a huge jump kite who's maybe just passing through. Instead, behind him, we have jumping on the yellow is Mike Campanaro getting quite a big jump. Just behind him is good teammate John Maple. Nice jump there by Mike Campanaro. Jordan Parker, he's coming in hot. That's a big jump there. That's a big jump. That was a big, nice jump there. That was huge. We're just under 1 minute to go till the end of our heat. We have John Maple getting his next jump. Alright, we're coming down to the last jump.
This is a really friendly competition. Everybody's out, have a good time.
It happens once a year, so they usually try to place it right around here. And sometimes we got lucky with dry land, sometimes, as you can see right now, we got lucky with mud.
We got Best on the beach, we got F1 on the beach, we got Ozone. If you haven't demoed a kite yet, go check out Kite, have some fun.
5 days of wind and sun. You know, we had a lot of competitors. Got the Texas flag flying. You know, we're the only company here from Texas, and we're pretty proud about that.
People travel from all around the world to be here, and the Roundup provides, you know, specific time where the people in the kiteboarding industry can gather here and promote themselves in a destination like South Padre Island.
A lot of people are out here just to, you know, demo out the gear. It's a lot of fun.
The whole competition itself was an awesome event out here in Texas. I mean, beautiful flat water, waves across the street. You just couldn't get a better setting for a competition. It was well organized, put together very well, and I'm just stoked to be here representing Transcend. That's my apparel company, transcendapparel.com. Check it out.
I help out Best Kiteboarding, and we got the Best Bus here and lots of Best demos going on. There's all kinds of free demos by a lot of companies. There's about 10, 15 companies here at least, all demoing gear.
Royal's still here, and it's my job to make it easy for people in the U.S. to get the product. We've plastered a lot of smiles today, especially with this era.
I ride Ozone, a C4, 10 meters prime, but all around the new C4. I mean, that's my pretty much bread and butter for higher winds. I mean, it eats up the gust. It's got the new bridle system that it's going to feel so much like a C, but as soon as you get that bridle on it, I mean, you can just dump out the power in gusty conditions. So it's good for the snow, it's good for water. You can go out in the gorge and tear it up. I mean, really gusty conditions just eats it up. It has a really good low end, really good pop, slacks out the lines on the way down. It's just a great kite, so that's what I've been progressing on lately.
We have our winchboard park set up. It's Winchmeister, and they've come a long way, and they're amazing athletes. Show off their wake style skills. In the middle here is the contest area. Everybody's stoked. Everybody's excited to hit all of this today and get on it.
It's once a year, and it's put on by a great school, Air Padre. And yeah, it's a great event. It's a great event if you're into kiteboarding, if you're into good winds, if you're into flat water.
We're really happy that South Padre Island and Cameron County has allowed this property for the use of this event. It's a spectacular location.
Not a lot of people, you know, want to put events in the States. I mean, there's only a handful, and to have one in Texas is awesome.
If you guys are watching this, make it out here next year. It's a great time to be here.
Thanks for watching the 2011 SPI Kite Roundup on the KiteSites.com series. If you would like the KiteSites.com series to highlight any wind sports related location, event, or product, get in touch with us at KiteSites.com.